guys, it's Gina here from Orchid and Opal Jewelry and Beads, and I'm here today with a review of a craft and jewelry supply online store called bbcraft.com. So they contacted me recently and asked me if I would review some products for them online and, through a video and show you guys some samples of some of the items you can find on their website. And of course, I jumped at the offer. I'm always looking for great new places to shop online, and I thought that would be helpful for you all too. And their prices seem very reasonable, as well as the fact that, if you're in the US like I am, they have a lot of items that are free shipping if you order over $25 worth of products. So I always like free shipping. I know you guys do too. So let's go through. They sent me 4 different products to show you. And I'm really excited. They've got all kinds of things on their website if you want to check it out. Their information will be below in the information section. You can check out their website and peruse through all the cool things that they have. So some of the things that they have that I was impressed by is they have a large selection of cord and chain. And, that's always nice when you're looking to do something a little different with beading, is to get into different types of cord and chain to, add some different details and elements to your work. So this was the first thing they sent me, which I thought was really neat. And I was looking for something that was a little more masculine because, I thought it'd be interesting to do something like, some kind of a men's bracelet, something a little different. I'm not sure exactly what yet, but this cord to me looked really cool. And this is a 3mm brown, round, genuine braided leather. It's called a necklace cord. It's for jewelry making, obviously. And it is $9.17, and it is included in the free shipping items if you spend over $25. And let me open it up for you guys so you can get a closer look. So it's got an excellent feel to it, and look how much you get. This really is a nice quantity of cord. And I'm going to bring it in so you can get a nice close-up on it. But great quality. You can see that braided leather. Really nice texture, the thickness, and it's very solid. It doesn't feel like it's coming apart in my hands or anything like that. And I could see it definitely making some really interesting wrap bracelets, not just for men, but for women. I could see it as necklace cord, and seeing a lot of possibilities. And I will be following up after this video with a tutorial using at least one thing of these items that I have received for a review to give you an idea of what you might be able to do with them. So this is about 5 meters of cord, so quite a bit. And the next item I received is also cord, and it's a little bit different. This is a roll of black 1.5mm black cowhide round leather cord. It was $8.41, and it's about, it says 11 yards, or about 10 meters. So it's, got a nice waxed finish, and it's not, doesn't feel rough or anything. It's very, very smooth. So definitely I can see this being another great option for wrap bracelets. If you've seen the wrap bracelets with the beads going down the center of the 2 cords like that, and then having kind of like a button closure, and you can just, it's one long strand that you wrap around your wrist. That's something that I would like to try to do with this particular cord. So again, a nice amount of cord for $8.41, and they've got so many different sizes, colors, variations of cords on the website bbcraft.com. So if you're somebody who wants to work with cord more, wants some different options, if you like shopping online like I do, definitely check them out because they have a really big selection. So in addition to the cord, they have a great selection of all different types of chain. And so I was excited to receive this silver chain here. It's quite a hefty roll. So I'm just going on their website just to give you the proper name and quantity of everything here. So this is a 5-yard open link cable chain, electroplate, brass, oval cross chain in the size 5 by 1 millimeter, and it is $11.89 for the roll. So I'm going to take it out for you so you can get a better look at it. Yeah, so this is a lot of chain. It is a lot of chain. And the links, they look to be good quality. They're nice and tight. You know, they're not rough. They're very smooth. So I'm very pleased with this chain, for sure. And I've been using chain more and more for jewelry making, particularly when I do stringing projects and I want to use chain on the back end of a necklace or something like that. This type of chain to me is perfect for that situation. And again, you know, they have so many different sizes and finishes. So if you're looking for chain, if you're looking to do some shopping online for those types of supplies, great place to check out. Okay, and so that's the first 3, and then I have one other product to show you. And look at these pretty beads. Look at these colorful beads. So these are dyed glass pearls, and the size is 8 millimeter. And there's 24 colors in this selection. Isn't that cool? So, you know, I'm not a big fan of like plastic beads or acrylic beads. I like the fact that these are glass. And the fact that you get so many different colors, sometimes you just need some fillers. And while these may not be like the highest quality glass pearls like Swarovski or anything like that, they're still nice looking glass pearls that will give you that color and that shape you might need for certain products. So this beautiful selection of glass pearls is $15.99, and all these items actually have been part of the free shipping offer that they have for their US inventory items, which is fantastic. And also the shipping is pretty quick. I mean, it's not like you're ordering, you know, when I've ordered off of eBay and I'm ordering from China and I have to wait days and days and weeks for things to come in. They will ship to you within a reasonable time frame, about a week or so, and that's just a very rough estimate. It really depends on where you live. And again, I'm speaking about if you live in the US. So I always love when websites offer those great shipping deals. Spend a certain amount, get free shipping, because it just feels like so much of a better deal to me. I just do not like paying for shipping when I shop online, even though I know it's so convenient to do it, and I would be spending a lot more time and gas and travel and headache going to the store to get things. It's just nice to be able to make a purchase online and not have to worry about the shipping cost. So I thought there was one little piece of tape on there, but there's more, which is understandable because you do not want all these pearls flying everywhere if they're going to be shipping them to you. There we go. Look how beautiful these colors are. Just beautiful. So it's really almost an essential for somebody who's an avid beader, especially if you're into stringing, to have yourself a variety box of glass pearls like this that are in so many different colors, because if you just need, like I said, that filler item, you know, something else to bulk up with your other beads, these are a great option to have on hand. So I really like all the products that they sent. Everything feels really nice as far as the quality is concerned. You know, even this box is nice too. I like how they send the storage box and not just a whole bunch of little baggies of random beads. The quantities are also excellent as well. So BB Craft, again, has not only cord and chain, they also have some beads. They have lots of different tools and supplies. They have display items. So if you're into jewelry or crafting or any type of crafting where you might use beads, you know, I would definitely suggest checking them out, seeing if they have the types of materials that you like to use. And chances are, if you're a beader, they have a lot of the types of materials that you use. And check out their prices, compare them to maybe other places that you usually shop. See if they have some other unique items that maybe you haven't seen elsewhere. And take advantage of that free shipping on orders over $25 because that's really cool. So all in all, these items would have cost $45.46, which, I mean, for the quantity of cord and chain and the quantity of glass pearls, I definitely think, you know, that's reasonable. That's comparable to other craft stores, especially if you don't have any kind of a coupon or anything like that. And the shipping was free, which is awesome. It comes right to your door. You can't beat that. And just fun to look on their website and to see what they have. So anyway, guys, stay tuned for future videos where I'm going to be using some of these products so you can get some ideas on what you can do with them. And I appreciate you watching. Go check out bbcraft.com and see what they have to offer. And leave me a comment letting me know what you liked here or if you have any questions. And I will see you soon on my next video. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!